Lemon oil is kind of a magical little ingredient. It's very simple to prepare. You need a microplane, a lemon, a bowl, and of course, our friend the olive oil. First thing we're going to do is take the lemon and we're going to remove just the outer rind of the lemon. You do not want the pith. So all the yellow color on the lemon is what we want in the bowl. So here we go. Be careful with the microplane. It's a great way to cut your fingernails, and we don't want that in our dinner. Again, just be very careful with the microplane. There's a lot of flavor in this lemon rind. Just be careful what you're doing. You don't want the white pith. We're going to use the lemon as a part of the flavoring a little bit later in the segment. Again, just be very careful with this because these microplanes are a fabulous little tool, but the double-edged sword is they're also very sharp. Okay, there we go. There's our lemon, and we're going to take about a cup of olive oil into our lemon peel, and that is going to be part of the flavoring for our sauce. And what we'll do now is just take this, we'll set it aside, and in a few minutes it'll be ready to form the basic sauce for our dinner tonight. And in a moment we'll be back, we'll talk about the next step in the preparation of this meal.